everyone. So welcome to my first episode of my Documenting Disney series. I already have a Documenting Disney series that I did for Christmas, so I'll go ahead and link that down below in case you guys haven't seen it. This time I'm going to be documenting Halloween because last year I went to Disneyland for Halloween and I got to go to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. I've been holding on to the photos on my phone for so long, and I just thought that I could do another Documenting Disney series because I really enjoyed it last time I did it, and why not? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my album, the collection that I'm using, as well as my photos and little mementos and things that I have from the park. So this is my album. I had such a hard time trying to figure out an album. I went from thinking I could make my album to like maybe I'll do a 12 by 12 album, and then ultimately I decided on this because I wanted it to be able to fit onto my shelf that goes over my desk, and it's black, so it's gonna go with my whole decor that I have, my whole color scheme for my desk crafty area. So I picked this up on Amazon. This is the Becky Higgins Project Life, just plain black album. And I got the page protectors for it there as well. So here are the page protectors. I got a lot. So what I did is Project Life has an app. I don't know if anyone knows that, but they do. And I went on there and I had all the photos on my phone. I think it cost maybe like 99 cents or $1.99 to actually get the dimensions for this page. So this is the 6x8. And so that's what I did. I went ahead and downloaded that. And I just started kind of placing all my photos in each little section, just kind of figuring out what sizes I needed for what. So I basically planned my whole album on this. So I basically knew what 3x4 and 4x6 photos that I needed. So what I had calculated was I needed a couple packs of these. These are the design 4. And then I have, I believe, a couple packs of these, design 3, design 2, I only needed one of those. And then, guys, I'm gonna try something super fun. I've always seen this being done, but I never did it. And I can't wait, guys. Okay, so I got design 1, and it's the whole, just one page, no pockets or anything, which leads me to my photos. So I got 6x8 photos, and they're gonna fit perfectly in here, and I can't wait. I also got 5x7 with a black border because I thought that'd be really, really cool. If I could just do like a little layout or something. I don't know. I got my photos printed at Persnickety Prints. They are actually sponsoring my Monster Bash Memory Decks Challenge, so if you guys want to go check out the challenge video, I'll have it linked down below. But they were so generous enough to offer a $50 gift card to one of the winners. And you guys, their photos are beautiful. The print quality is amazing. I love it so much. There's so many ways you can print out photos on there. There's so many like filters and projects. I know you can make journals on there. It's just so cool. If you haven't heard of them, definitely go check them out. So I took my favorites. It was hard because I have a lot of my favorites, mostly from the parade. I love this because as of this month, I think it was September 4th, A Bug's Land is no more. So I'm super sad, but I'm so glad because I believe the time before, like I forgot when, I think I had gone Christmas. I don't remember. But I did go into A Bug's Land and I took a ton of pictures. So, and then we went in there for a little bit this time and we saw Flick. So that was cool because when are you ever going to see Flick? Probably like at Animal Kingdom or something in Walt Disney World, but thought it was super cool. So there's my in-laws and stuff. Look at that. I just took like the ones that I knew was going to be cool. I believe this was the first year that they had the Sally animatronic on the Nightmare Before Christmas Haunted Mansion ride. So, oh, super cool story about that, but I'll tell you about that later. And then I always love this hill. I've been on this ride so many times when it's been the Nightmare Before Christmas, but never when it's just the regular Haunted Mansion ride. So that's like on my to-do list. Like when it when it's just the Haunted Mansion ride, I would love to go and ride it, because I always seem to go when it's Christmas or Halloween. So, and I think these are the same. They just have the black border. They just take such good care of your photos. Like, I love it. Yeah, see the black border. Like, oh my gosh, it's gonna make such a cool layout. Yeah. So, I thought that was really cool. And whatever I don't use, I can obviously like frame and like hang it up in my house somewhere. So those are those photos. And these are all my photos that I'm going to be using. So these are all my 4x6 photos. So everything is planned. And I have to sit down and kind of go through, I mean, and some of these I'm probably not going to use, but it's, you know, it's there, I have the option. But I just have to sit down and kind of go through the days of like, you know, like what we did what day, and yeah, so that's what I have to do, because I like to do things in order because I'm crazy. And then here is my 3x4 photos. So I'll just show you the first little stack. But I love how they came out. So beautiful. Okay, so those are my photos. Next I'm going to be showing you all of my mementos, I guess you want to say. And I have a lot. There's no way that I'm going to fit all of this in there, but I'm going to try. I'm definitely going to try. So I have, I only flattened 1 penny. I'm so sad. I don't even know if it's worth putting in my album. Maybe I can make a little charm out of it. So Adam's birthday is November 19th, and we went, where is it? Yeah, like the first week of October. So Steven, I think it was Steven or my mother-in-law, was like, oh, it's, because they always ask when you check into the hotel, oh, so what's the occasion? And then, you know, you say, so I think my mother-in-law was like, my grandson's birthday. Just to get him like a free button. I got these little keychains at the gift shop. They're like little foam keychains. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to use all of this, but we shall see. And then here are our Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party wristbands that I like made everyone take off. I'm like, gimme. So that's cute. I don't know, I guess I got to flatten them somehow and make that work, so I can fuse them into a pocket to fit in there. So yeah, I have a ton of little things. Oh my gosh. So I have, so this was a little ticket for all our packages that had to go upstairs from shopping. And then, I know, don't look at that number. And then here's a little sticker that they gave my son a little gift at one of the shops. Here's the gift cards that we actually used. This is how we saved for our trip to Disney, you guys. We put all our money on a gift card, and it works perfect. And I hear a lot of people do it that way because you can't go, it's almost like a savings account, and you can only use it at like the Disney store. And it's like, are you really going to go to the Disney store just to go spend the money? No. So this kind of like locks your money in, and you can use this at the park. So that's how we saved for our trip. And I don't know what this is. Max Pass? I don't even know what that is. Oh, the photos. So I don't know. I might or might not put those in there. Fast Passes. So got all those there. I believe these are our tickets. Yes. So those are our tickets. So I took my Instax with me, and I did take some photos, but I don't know if I'm going to use them. Like I said, I'm going to just see, you know. So here is the room key, or here's my room key, and I believe, yeah, here's the rest of the room keys in this little folder. I got a couple postcards from Cars Land because I thought that was so cute. I've never gotten the postcards from there, and I always wanted to. I don't know why we have the notepad in here. These were our tickets for the Halloween party. So they came in this envelope, and this is what they look like. See it, one-day special event. So I have those there. I like the envelope. I think it's cute. Here's the map. Disneyland, the hotels. That was our hotel. We've stayed in all three. So now officially we have stayed in all three. And I personally love the Disneyland hotel. Whenever I ask my husband, get me a map, because, you know, I want to put it in my, he gets me like 20 maps. So I'm like, okay, thanks. So yeah, I have a lot of maps. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of them, but I usually end up giving them to my kids and then they can look at them and stuff. And then this was cool. If you read The Jungle Cruise and you ask one of the cast members there for one of these, they usually make you do something to get it, and I think I had to roar like a lion. So yeah, so we got a couple of those because I think Steven roared too. It's pretty funny. So got that, and then here's more maps. Like, what am I gonna do with all these maps? Oh my gosh. So I don't know why we picked that one up. That one. And then this was for the Halloween party. So I have a ton of maps. So this is kind of cool. This came in this little pouch. And it's just a bunch of brochures talking about the restaurants and stuff. And then over here is the, it says the activities, things you can do. Join us on Sunday and Fridays for one of your favorite Disney movies. And then it folds out into a calendar. So the paper collection that I'm going to be using for my Documenting Disney for Halloween 2017 is the Pebbles Spooky Boo collection, just because I think it is adorable. I love the little designs. And, oh, this one's not open, but I have this 6x6 pad just in case I need it. I don't know if I'm going to need it, but we'll see. I have the ephemera pack, and I got a few of these because I don't know how much I'm going to need. So that is what the ephemera pack looks like. I might use stickers, and if I do, I got the coordinating stickers for this. So they're called Maggie, and it's black glitter on orange foam. And then I got the paper pad. So real quick, I'll just give you a little flip through. I think this is gonna go perfect. I can't wait, and I love the little journaling cards and things. So I'm gonna have a lot to work with, which I'm super happy about. See, these are the journaling cards. Really adorable. Yeah. So that is the paper collection that I'm gonna be using. So that is my plan for my Disneyland Halloween 2017 album. I can't wait to get started. Next episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how I kind of put everything together in the process. So for the next couple weeks on Sunday at 7 o'clock, I am going to be sharing with you guys the process of how I put this all together. I'm just gonna have fun with it. There's not gonna be like this crazy thing of me decorating everything. I'm going through this kind of phase right now where I just want to get it in an album. I don't care if it's decorated to the nines. I don't care if there's, you know, shaker pockets galore and all these crazy embellishments. I just don't care. I mean, I care, but like, as long as the memories are in an album and I can go back and look at them, that's all that matters. And I think sometimes we lose that, you know? So I do plan to create like some shakers in this and kind of fuse some mementos and things into the pages. And, you know, I do plan to use some of the journaling cards and things, but mainly it's just going to be me putting the photos into the album and documenting that way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you're enjoying my 31 Nights of Crafty Frights series so far. If you are not subscribed and you'd like to be, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload videos, which this month is every day, just go ahead and hit the notification bell. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.